What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail, and today's cocktail, guys, is the Frozen Vimto cocktail, and I can't wait to show you this cocktail. So it's a 3-ingredient cocktail, so you got your Vimto, your WKD blue, and your vodka, and it's as simple as that, as I will make the frozen version of it. So the first ingredient to go in, guys, is 100ml of Vimto. The ingredient is 100ml of WKD blue. For an international order, it's just over 3 ounces. The last ingredient is 50ml of vodka. So put your lid on now, put your head on, let's blend right into it. So get your open glass and let's fill it up. There we go, one Frozen Vimto cocktail. How does it taste? Delicious, absolutely delicious. I could drink all this right now. It's absolutely beautiful. If you love your Vimto, you'll love it, especially with your WKD. Or if you like your cheeky Vimto, you'll like this as well. This is absolutely delicious. There it is, that is a Frozen Vimto cocktail. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid if you wish to see more cocktails like this. And I will see you guys in the next cocktail video. Cheers.